Hello Ayurveda food lovers and health enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the world of unique flavors and incredible health benefits? Today, we're embarking on a culinary adventure with a fruit not just versatile, but packed with nutrients, the amazing winter melon. Often overlooked, this humble gourd is a powerhouse of health benefits and a star in the kitchen, ready to transform your meals with its subtle yet refreshing taste. From soothing soups to delectable stews, the winter melon is a true chamelon, absorbing flavors like a sponge and making every dish an unforgettable experience. But that's not all. Winter melon isn't just about taste. It's also about wellness. This fantastic fruit is loaded with vitamins and minerals, offering an array of health benefits that will make you wonder why you haven't been eating it all along. So buckle up and get ready as we explore the wonders of winter melon, from tantalizing recipe to a health-boosting benefits. Let's unlock the secrets of this extraordinary fruit together. Stay tuned because this is going to be a deliciously healthy ride.
Recipe: Ash Gourd Curry.
First, we will go over all the ingredients and step-by-step explain how to make the Ayurvedic version of bitter melon soup, also known as ash gourd. Depending on how much soup you want to make, you can start with a small, medium, or large winter melon. In this recipe, we'll take 1 small ash gourd, also known as winter melon, 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use your favorite oil, but in the Ayurvedic remedy, we use sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 2 green chilies slit, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, a half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves for garnish. And here are the instructions for step 1, 2, and 3 and on. Step 1. Peel the ash gourd or the winter melon and remove the seeds. And you can go take a look at the other video that I have up with Dr. Aruna Pensy showing us in my kitchen how to make winter melon soup. And she cuts the ash gourd or the winter melon in half, and she pulls out all of the seeds. So please do go and watch that video also. It'll give you, listening to this, you'll get the ingredients one by one, and watching hers, you'll see how it's done. Cut the winter melon and the carrots into small cubes. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat.
2. Add cumin seeds and mustard seeds.
Add the winter melon and the carrots and let them. Add chopped onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Add the ginger, garlic paste, and green chilies. Then saute for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft and mushy. Add turmeric powder, red chili powder, and coriander powder, and salt. Mix well, or you can also put in a blender and mix. Add the cubed ash gourd and stir it to coat it with the spice mixture. Cover the pan and cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the ash gourd is tender. Sprinkle garam masala powder and mix well. Cook for another minute. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot with rice or roti. In the next few slides, I will discuss with you the Ayurvedic and nutritional benefits of Ash Gourd, also known as Winter Melon. Ash Gourd, also known as winter melon or white pumpkin, is a versatile vegetable that offers several Ayurvedic and nutritional benefits. In Ayurveda, winter melon is highly regarded. It's also known as ash gourd. It is a cooling and detoxifying property. So if anything is cooling in Ayurveda, it is good for Pitta body types like Pitta predominant body types, or for Pitta imbalances, like anything that's burning, heartburn, acid reflux, GERD, burning skin, burning pain in the muscles. Winter melon is cooling and hydrating. Ash gourd has a high water content, which helps to keep the body cool and hydrated. Winter melon is particularly beneficial during hot summer months and can help alleviate heat-related conditions like sunstroke.
Weight management. Ash gourd is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an excellent addition to a weight loss diet.
Winter melon provides a feeling of fullness, reducing the tendency to overeat. Detoxification. The alkaline nature of ash gourd helps in detoxifying the body by eliminating toxins and flushing out waste. Winter melon supports liver function and aids in digestion. Ash gourd possesses diuretic properties which can help in maintaining urinary health. Winter melon promotes the healthy functioning of the kidneys and can be beneficial for those with kidney stones or urinary tract infections. Ash gourd is known to have expectorant properties and can help in relieving cough and congestion. It is commonly used in Ayurvedic preparations for respiratory ailments like asthma and bronchitis. Ash gourd is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, B complex, minerals, calcium, phosphorus, and iron, and antioxidants. Winter melon supports overall health and strengthens the immune system. The juice of ash gourd or winter melon is used topically to treat various skin conditions like sunburn, rashes, and acne. Its cooling and moisturizing properties can help soothe and rejuvenate the skin. Please go watch this video. My colleague Dr. Aruna Pensi, BAMS, that's for Bachelor's in Ayurvedic Medicine, is teaching along with my students at a workshop that I had in the forest on Ayurveda. And it's teaching about ash gourd and winter melon soup, and Dr. Aruna shows you how to make it right there in my kitchen. Okay, I hope you enjoy that. Bye.